Welcome to JurisTales, where ancient Latin meets modern law. Let's start our journey today. If you like this channel, please thumb up and recommend to your friends.
In the bustling town of Elmstead, nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, a peculiar incident unfolded, one that would leave its mark on legal practitioners and townsfolk alike. This quaint town, renowned for its picturesque beauty and serenity, was disrupted by an event as inexplicable as it was dramatic. As the sun hung high in a cerulean sky, casting warm light and gentle shadows, a passerby named Eleanor strolled leisurely along Brick Lane, the main thoroughfare lined with quaint shops and bustling vendors. Eleanor, known for her inquisitive nature and poise, wore a vibrant scarf that fluttered with every step, drawing a colorful contrast to the age-old cobblestones beneath her feet. Suddenly, in a bewildering twist of fate, a heavy barrel cascaded from the second story of the local warehouse, a warehouse with a reputation for storing everything from spices to silks, guarded by the watchful eyes of a jovial yet meticulous proprietor, Mr. Hargrove. The barrel's fall was an event as unpredictable as it was swift, its trajectory a testament to chaos personified. Eleanor, caught in the throes of her thoughts, heard the sharp whistle of air but had barely a moment to react before the wooden vessel collided with her shoulder, sending her sprawling onto the ivy-twined sidewalk. The townsfolk, agape with shock, rushed to her aid while the barrel lay silent, a mute witness to its own descent. The event, with its hushed whispers of negligence, soon became the town's focus. A meeting at the local courthouse, overseen by Judge Abernathy, was convened to unravel the mystery. The doctrine of residential ipsa loquitur, a principle whispered through the hallowed halls of tort law, took center stage. Its essence? To argue that the mere occurrence of certain events implies negligence, even if evidence of specific fault remains elusive. Attorney Myers, representing Eleanor, articulated the argument with precision. "Your Honor," he began, his voice resonating with the room's quiet anticipation, "the barrel's descent was an accident no rational explanation can dismiss as happenstance. It was within the exclusive control of Mr. Hargrove's warehouse, and barrels do not fall without some form of negligence." Mr. Hargrove, his face etched with concern, could offer no explanation as to how the barrel had freed itself from its constraints. His employees, each more mystified than the last, attested to their diligence, yet the incident stood, stark and undeniable. As proceedings unfolded, it became evident that the law, with its structured argos and prudent interpretations, would ultimately serve justice. Judge Abernathy, after considering the arguments and facts, ruled in favor of Eleanor, her injuries recognized as a result of negligence implied by the event itself. The story of the falling barrel, its sudden descent and the legal deliberations that followed, became a poignant illustration of residential ipsa loquitur. It left a lasting impression on Elmstead, a reminder of the law's ability to speak even when those involved cannot. For in the silence of reason, sometimes, the thing itself truly speaks volumes.